The adoption of electric buses to make passenger road transport cleaner and greener is a key focus of governments at both the national and sub-national levels in India. WRI-India analysis estimates that we would require over 1 lakh e-buses by 2030. We have identified 3 interventions that can scale up adoption. 1. Enhanced planning in inducting e-buses in public bus services. 2. Aligning procurement process with operational requirements of e-buses. And 3. Adopting a more dynamic and informed approach to e-bus charging. To address these challenges, WRI-India has launched the Route EValuator. The WRI-India Route EValuator benefits transit agencies, e-bus manufacturers and policymakers. It helps transit agencies evaluate the merit of deployment of e-buses on specific routes and helps them develop implementation plans. E-bus manufacturers can use the Route EValuator to understand specifications such as range, charger power rating, and associated costs for electrification. And lastly, policymakers can leverage the solution to set appropriate targets and introduce supporting schemes. Experience the benefits of Route EValuator today. Visit our website www.wricitiesindia.org/content/Route EValuator.